Hey guys, good morning. Sorry my hair is a hot mess today, but I just woke up. But I want to come show you what we got yesterday. It is cold out here today, by the way. Is anybody else cold? Say hi, puppies. Say hi. Hello. Is you guys cold? So, I don't know if I showed you guys the rooster. There's our rooster. We just got him. He's pretty awesome. He's so cute. I may have already showed you guys. I don't remember. But anyway, in here, in the chicken coop. Oh, it's so warm in here. Good. We have... They're so cute. Baby chickies. Aren't they cute? So the little yellow guys are gonna have like fur feathers, crazy feathers, or silkies. And then the other guys are, I think, sapphire gems. So they're kind of cold because they're under the heat lamp. But anyway, this is my chicken coop. I just cleaned this thing. It's disgusting. You wouldn't know. There's my favorite guinea. Hi, guinea. You girls give me some eggs today, okay? So they come in. Right now we're letting them out since we still haven't finished our fence. And they come in and out to lay eggs all day. But I'm going to keep the door closed today and make them come in through their chicken door, which is right here. It won't let in as much cold air. I'll show you the goats too. Wipe them out. Hopefully today we're going to get this fence done. We'll see. Hi, baby goats. Hi. Come here. Hi. You guys are so pretty. Those are the girls. There's the boy that's really friendly. His name is Thor. And there's his brother over there pooping. Thanks for the poop, buddy. Hi, guys. Hi, buddy. You're so pretty. Hey. Hi. Hopefully you guys can see that. I had the camera turned around so I couldn't see what I was showing you. Here's more chickens. That breed is called a Barred Rock. So we have 7 of them. They're really pretty. All right, guys. Well, I missed you guys. I hope you have a really good Friday and a great Easter weekend. And just remember that you're loved, and I miss you. And you guys have a good day. Bye.